Guys, napanood nyo ba itong video na ito? Interview to ni Sharon Cunita sa Insular Life. This is insurance company, investment company, nag-guide sa atin, nagtuturo sa atin kung paano mag-invest at kung bakit mag-invest at bakit paghandaan ang pagtanda at lalong-lalo na sa mga bata for the future. At may nagtanong kay Sharon Cunita kung tinuturuan nga ba daw niya ang kanyang mga anak about investment. At ang sagot ni Sharon is yes. Ang apat niyang mga anak ay may mga investment na rin, nag-e-invest na rin. At may ni-reveal din si Sharon Cunita patungkol kay Kissy Concepcion. Dahil alam naman natin na bata pa lang si Kissy Concepcion ay ginawa na siyang endorser, at iba-ibang produkto. At kaya nga siya nakilala ng husto, hindi lang dahil anak ni Sharon or anak ni Gabby, dahil nakikita siya sa TV, dahil sa mga commercial na pinapalabas sa TV. Then, ang sabi ni Sharon, nung nakapagtapos na daw si Kissy Concepcion sa Paris, tapos na siyang nag-aral ng college, pag-uwi niya sa Pilipinas, ibinigay or ibinalik ni Sharon ang buong savings ni Kissy Concepcion kasama ang interest. Sana all, ang galing naman. Ito similarity ito sa kwento din ni Tony Gonzaga na ang kanyang lahat na kinita ay nung nag-asawa siya, ibinalik ng kanyang nanay din. So, napakaganda talagang gayahin bilang isang mga magulang. So, mag-e-invest na tayo. So guys, panoorin natin, pakinggan natin kung ano yung talagang exactly na sinabi ni
You teach your children to make an investment, and kung meron man po kayo tuturo, what kind of investment? Also with Miss Kissy Concepcion also.
I taught Casey even before she graduated from college. So when she graduated, I said when we get home, because we were in Paris, I said when we get home, I'm turning over to you all your savings. Not 1 peso less. So kung ano lang tinubos sa pag-invest ko yung inabot ko na. So and she knew, I said, maliit pa siya because how we separated. So I want you to grow up knowing you're a very strong woman. You don't need a man to support you. You can work for yourself and your own future. And if you meet somebody that's worth spending the rest of your life, you can go ahead, just be happy. But at least wala nang problema. You don't have to find someone who's wealthy, just someone decent who will love you. Yun. So all my kids mula nang maliit, sila Frankie, sila Miel. There was a time, kunyari, when Frank was 4 or 5, she wanted a toy electric guitar. Music talaga, she does that now. And we said, we're gonna pay for half of it. The half you have to pay for. Alam mo gumawa siya mga turo, nagbenta siya, tsaka banana cue. Miel, she used to sell cookies also in bazaars near our village. Miel would sell banana shakes. Make them herself, not her yayo. Her yayo was a company, pero siya lahat. Pag may pabili, tatayo siya in a bazaar. And Miguel also started selling ice candy in school pag merong fair. Alam nila.
Kasi sa tayo, kasi di ba importante na ni Sharon is Kissy and I together right now.
I think we should ask Casey. She's old na eh.
But you have picture, she's trying to lose weight now for...
Oh yeah. No, we've talked. I don't want to betray her trust naman. I think she's, she's a full-fledged adult. You can ask her. She'll be happy to tell you. But I don't think it's my place to talk about her personal stuff. But she's working very hard on working again. So I'm hoping that, because she still looks like she's 20 or 25, Thank you, Mommy. That's from my mom, all of us. I mean, lalo my kids. So, and Frankie looks like she's 50. She's already 24. Casey looks very young. So, my flawless look.
Sharon, your tasteful choice in fashion, I must commend your shoes.
Oh my God, everybody noticed my shoes today. May I show you?
Here.
This is a pair I've owned for maybe 10 years. And because I had an orange top, I said, what will I wear? The blue or the orange? And suddenly, I saw, may ganyan pala ako.
It's always like that.
Thank you. It's a tribute. Sorry. Longer pa siguro. When we went to Paris, when was that? 2011? 2012? And this is the first time I wore them. It just shows you I take care of my things.
Yes.
Or Maya that takes care of my things. And there are